Today we will learn how to count from 0 to 20 in French. Don't worry, that will be very easy. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les nombres de 0 à 20 en français. Merci. Thanks. Alors, let's go together. We have 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Très bien. Well done, guys. That was very good. Then let's move ahead from 11 to 20. Let's go from 11 to 20. Allons de 11 à 20. Then 11, 11, 11, 12, 12, 12, 13, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 15, 15, 15, 16, 16, 16, 17. Here everything becomes easy. 17, literally it is 10, 7. 18, 10, 8. 18, 19, 10, 9, 90. 20. 20 is a confusing word because it means something else. And okay, we know 20. 20. Très bien. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. Don't confuse the P with me not reading. 8, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19, 20. Well done, we did well. Then guys, let's do a little practice. We'll be recognizing the word from French to English. I will be pronouncing the French meaning of the noun of the numbers, sorry, and you will be recognizing them in English. So let's go then. First one, 5. How much? 5. Well done. 4. 4. Good. 19. 19. 10. 10. 12. 12. You pronounce it? 15. 15. Find it? 3. 3. 8. 8, 16, 16. Good, you find it. 13, 13. Good. 20, 20. 9, 9. Good. 2, 2. Good. 1, 1. Good. 7, 7, 7. Well done, guys. 17, 17. 11, 11. Find it out. 14, 14, 14. Well done, guys.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like to see more videos like this, and if you did not like it, leave us a comment and tell us why you do not like it. Hope to see you in the next one, and don't forget to share and subscribe. It's totally free.